Hello, this is Paul Duggan from Trinity College, Dublin. Some of you may recognize that sound from when you first started using the internet. It is a dial-up modem over the telephone network and it is incredibly slow. Downloading images and photographs took a lifetime, and as for watching movies, forget about it. Some of you use cable modems over what is called the DSL network, and this is somewhat faster. Downloading images and photographs is quite quick and you're able to watch movies, but if the network was busy or congested, this could lead to problems. The picture could freeze, the annoying little egg timer can appear, or buffering messages. Some of us use fiber or fast Wi-Fi to access the internet, so we're able to watch movies on demand from Netflix or Disney Plus with very little problems. Let us look at an example. This is the current internet, which is based on IP Internet Protocol. Take two users, Bob and Alice, who are based in Dublin. Bob wants to watch Lord of the Rings from Netflix, so he sends a request to the Netflix server, which is in California. And a copy of the movie comes down to Bob's laptop. Alice wants to watch the same movie, so she sends a request to Netflix. And a second copy of the movie comes down across the Atlantic to Alice's mobile. If there are 100 users, 100 copies of the movie are coming down. So this could lead to congestion on the network. To alleviate this, there's an architecture called ICN, Information-Centric Networking, which involves a simple modification to routers, which includes adding storage to each router. Let's look at this scenario using the ICN-based network. Bob sends a request for his Netflix movie as before, and it goes up the Netflix server. But this time, when a copy of the movie comes down, a replica can be stored in some or all of the routers on the path between Netflix and Bob's laptop. If Alice requests a copy of the movie, she simply receives a copy from the replica at the local Dublin router. So as you can see, there's only one stream coming down, and if there are 100 users in Dublin, they each access a local copy, so there's only one stream coming down from Netflix. During the current coronavirus pandemic, where there's a lot of people locked down watching movies, this is putting a lot of pressure on the network. The European Union has asked Netflix, Disney Plus, Amazon Prime, and the other providers to reduce quality by 25%. With an ICN network, there'll be less need for this. So why ICN, Information-Centric Networking? It can lead to an improvement in quality because there'll be less congestion on the network. It can lead to lower cost because less resources are needed because there are less streams coming down. It can also lead to reduction in delay. Take, for example, Alice received a local copy from Dublin rather than from California. So the movie arrives quicker, so that annoying little egg timer is going to appear less. So if you have any questions, please email me at dugganp4@tcd.ie. Thank you and goodbye.